My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called SOLIDBIT. SOLIDBIT is a special ransomware that affects the files that the customers store on their hard drives. And because of the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware SOLIDBIT encrypts these files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, of course, you're able to open some file, well, not some, all files, without any complications. Well, regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities and leaks in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. This is the ransom note that the ransomware reveals. It is clearly mentioning the name of the ransomware called SOLIDBIT Ransomware. It reveals this special pop-up window, and it also reveals another text file mentioning the instructions on how to recover the data. In brief, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data recovered. So don't pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, use Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com, download the program installer using this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and that is crucial for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins scanning and researching and investigating your computer. You'll see the information about all the threats which were found at the end of scan. But while the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add certain folders, and the contents in these folders will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. The scanning itself might take several minutes. It depends on various factors. For instance, it may depend on how infected the system is. It may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And the scan report by Combo Cleaner will show you the information about the threats which were revealed, their locations on the system, and other data. We do recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to remove these threats and to protect your data from other malware attacks.